Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your CreativeLive subscription, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your CreativeLive subscription, start by visiting the CreativeLive website. Look for the login button in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. Enter your registered email address and password in the provided fields. If you can't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once logged in, navigate to the account dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the Subscriptions tab. Click on the Subscriptions tab to view your current plans. If you have a subscription code, find the option to enter it. Input your subscription code in the designated field. After entering the code, click on the Activate button. A confirmation message will appear, indicating your subscription is now active. To check your subscription status, return to the Subscriptions page. You should now see details regarding your active plan. Explore the available courses to start your learning journey. Make sure to log in regularly to access new content. Enjoy your CreativeLive subscription and all that it has to offer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.